There was a friend of mine that had work done before I came in, and you had a grand opening, and your office was state of the art, and I said, ooh, I want to come there. So that's the reason why I came, because I've seen the work prior, and it was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh my, those weren't really, should have been called dentures. They were just two plates that were put in my mouth. I didn't know that I needed to even put glue in them because they were just too big at the very first time that I had them. I've never been able to chew properly. I just always, for several years, at least 10 years, I just kind of gnawed on my food a little bit and then I swallowed it and hope for the best. Hope that I didn't get choked, actually. So that's been my process. I was embarrassed. I didn't go out much. I usually stayed at home and I ate so that no one would see me, so that I could take my fingers and pick the food off and put a little bit right there and then just chew it on one side. I never had balance. Love food. Oh gosh, I love food, but I hid at home to eat most of the time. Oh, I figured that I would have the same kind of teeth with some nails that would hold them in place, and I would have to glue them together, and I could chew again, so I was happy with that. I just wanted to chew. I enjoy the thought of biting. The very first time that I wasn't afraid to bite, that I wasn't afraid to chew, I was able to put my food on both sides and even smile in the process. It's wonderful, just wonderful. I'm living again. I'm living again for the first time, and it's been many years. My life is amazing. There's a confidence, there's a radiance, there is, my friends say, oh, there's something different about you. You must have a boyfriend. No, I wish, but it's just a new smile that I have, the new confidence, the sureness that I have of myself. I'm excited. I'm excited to talk. I'm excited to cheese. I'm just excited about life. I'm grateful for the gift that you have to give me the joy that I have been given. And I'm grateful to have met you.